This is Atimise Maths Academy, where mathematics is being made easy. We are still on the series set. On this part of the series, we want to talk about types of set. Now, in my video, I will only teach you 13 types of set. But if you go advanced, you can make it, you can study ahead. Okay? Now, let's start. This aspect, I'm going to just list it, explain one or two. Then, in my next video, I'm going to take at least two types each. I will explain it in details. I will pick maybe finite set and infinite set. I will explain. So, but this particular part of it is just for me to list the types of sets. My next video, I will explain each of them in details. So now let's start. Number one, we'll talk about the finite sets. The finite set. For example, if a set B has an element positive integers. What are integers? Integers are numbers. They can be positive, negative integers or positive numbers. Now, positive integers greater than 1. Remember, they are greater than 1. Okay, we can just take a whole number like 2, but less than 10. That means it might stop at 9 when we are taking whole numbers. So now, it is finite because we can easily count it. We can easily count it. Now, let's come to infinite. The infinite is the opposite of finite. Number that we cannot easily count. For example, if a set has all positive integers, can we begin to count all positive integers in the world? From 1 to infinity, it is not possible. It is very, very difficult for us to count. So, therefore, since we can't easily count it, we say it is what? Infinite set. Now, let's come to subset. If you see this subset, in my next video, I will elaborate it very well because subset is deep. It's very, very deep. So, I will explain in details. In subset, you would talk something like proper subset. You talk something like improper subset. Then you talk about super subset. Superset. Okay? Now, I will explain this in details. Now, in our number 5 is equality of set. When this set and this set have the same elements. If the elements are the same, they have equal what? Sets. The universal sets. Now, the universal set is all taking the total of all the sets, all the elements, all the sets. For example, now you can have 3 by 3 sets. You take set A, set B, and set C. By the time you take everything, it is called the universal set. Then, the unit set. For example, now, a set that has only one element. Like I told you, I'll say that I'm going to explain in details. So this is just listing out. I'm just doing some summary on it. Unit set, a set that has only one element inside. It's called unit set. Empty set, as the name implies, empty set or null set. Now, most of these types of sets, they have symbols. I'm going to explain. I'm going to write each of the symbols as I break them down. Because each of these ones, they are broad, okay? But no problem, I'm here to help. Now, empty set means an element and a set that doesn't have any element inside, an empty element, a null set. Complementary set. Complementary set, for example, now, if I say this is a class, and inside the classroom, there are some people that are not part of our class. Those people now, they are a complement of this set. They are not part of the class. Okay? They are not part. So one of the easiest way to remember complementary set is they are not part. Okay? Very good. It has a symbol. I'm going to show you that symbol. Now, cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set. You want to count the numbers of elements inside a set. You want to count the numbers of students inside a class. It is called cardinality. Cardinality is all about counting the numbers, the total numbers. Now, the intersection of a set. The intersection of a set. That particular place whereby maybe you have 1 or you have 2 to 3 different sets and something is common between them all. They are intersected. That particular thing that is common is the intersection of set. Then the union of set. I want to take set A, set B. I want to bring them together. If this one has 2, this one has 2, I have to just pick one of the 2. If this one have 2, this one have 3, I bring 2 and 3. Okay, I will explain in our next video. This joint set. The joint set is just like those particular elements that are not in this other element. They are the joints. You find it in this element, but you cannot find them in this place. Okay? Yes, but they are inside what? The universal set. But you cannot find them in the other set. All right. Now, power set. Power set is also relating to subsets. Taking all the total subsets is called the power set. So this is just a list of types of sets. So very good. You can write it down inside your notes and study it. In my next video, I'm going to explain each of them. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is where I end the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Achimise Maths Academy, where mathematics is made easy. Go to my comment section, add your comment, and I'll be there for you. Thank you.